If you didn't watch the first Datsun video, I brought this white Datsun Roadster home all the way from Oregon to replace the red Roadster. The previous owner did a lot of work on the car, but there's still a lot of work left to be done. Number one on my list was to fix the parking brake. The first problem I have with the parking brake is you can pull it all the way up and it still won't hold the car. The second problem is this release button stuck too deep in the handle. When we go underneath, I can see a bunch of slack in that cable. These cables are connected by a linkage. When I pull on the cable here, the slack transfers to this cable. The cable pulls this thing, which twists and pulls on rods connected to the right and left brakes. And those rods pull on levers. But before I worry about the cable, I'm going to make sure the brake shoes are in adjustment. There's a bolt that goes against these pins. You can reach from behind. As you screw the bolt in, it spreads the pins apart. The bolt has a square drive. You turn the bolt clockwise like you're tightening the bolt to expand the shoes. You'll see this pin spread. Then they spring back in because they have like detents to make sure the screw doesn't back itself out. But each time they spring back in, you'll see the gap gets a little wider as you tighten or narrower as you loosen. You should adjust these with the drums on. In fact, it's even better if you have the wheels and lug nuts on, so the drums are pressed down and fastened in their normal position. I'm going to adjust them to where I just start to feel a little bit of drag, and then I back it out one click. The adjustment bolts on both sides are right-hand threads, so clockwise to tighten, counterclockwise to loosen. Now I'm going to take the slack out of this cable. There's an adjuster right here. First you loosen the lock nut, then there's an adjustment nut. You know, I find oddly on this Datsun, a lot of the fasteners are not metric. For instance, these nuts are 7/16 inch, I believe. So I have to use an 11mm wrench. Parking brakes are working now, so let's tighten that lock nut. Now I just need to get this release button to stick out a bit so I can press it with my thumb. Looks like it's just screwed onto a threaded rod. I should be able to unscrew it to get it to stick out. I'm going to use this glove so I don't scratch the button too much. Okay, perfect. That's my first repair done on the Datsun.